To view Tesla dashcam footage, it's essential to understand the process, especially since Tesla is a prominent sustainable car brand with features like Dashcam and Sentry mode, which automatically record driving incidents. The recordings are stored locally on a formatted USB flash drive, and the company doesn't keep any copies. To access the footage, start by going to the Controls option or tapping the Dashcam icon on the touchscreen. Then select Safety, followed by Dashcam and Dashcam clips. The footage will be displayed in chronological order based on timestamps, allowing you to watch or delete the clips as needed. If you prefer to view the footage on a computer, simply remove the USB flash drive from the car, insert it into your computer, and find the dashcam footage under the Saved Clips folder. Viewing the footage on an iPhone is also possible and convenient, as it doesn't require transferring the USB drive. To do this, use the Tesla mobile app, ensuring your car is synced to your iPhone by locking all doors, selecting Controls, then Safety and Sentry mode, and finally, view live camera via the mobile app. On your iPhone, open the Tesla app, tap Safety, select Sentry mode, and choose View Live Camera. However, it's worth noting that not all Tesla models have the dashcam feature, so it's not possible to view dashcam footage on every model. Overall, viewing Tesla dashcam footage is a straightforward process.